This is Dr. Joan from northern part of Uganda, one of the trainer under Relief Africa. I've gotten a chance to train with the Farming Academy Denmark in livestock production, specifically sheep and goat. In the past few weeks, we have been handling sheep production. That is the basic level with about 20 lectures that we have got. And under the basic level, we have been handling issues on breeding the animals, the animal behavior, the pests and diseases that disturb the animals, the parasites that are always affecting the animals, the feeding status, how we're supposed to feed the animals, and other conditions that are very important. So under this level, realize that the most important thing is the basic level that every farmer needs to know. And to me, I've received a lot of knowledge beyond what we could get in class, because the training, the learning with the Farming Academy have been so insightful. I've been able to get the knowledge that I've not known before. And I feel like it's very important that this knowledge should be extended to the farmers around. Because in our area, the farmers always, most farmers concentrate on goat, but it's rare to find the sheep. We've been doing the basic level mainly on the sheep production, which is very important. Maybe in our area, I'm thinking that the farmers are not handling the sheep because they do not know how to take care of the sheep. And people may fear that, okay, it's something I don't know. If I start, I might fail, and that will be a big loss. But then from the training we have got from the Farming Academy, I realized that it is something that can be done. The sheep production is something that can be handled. It's not very hard as long as someone gets the rightful information, just like you have got. And I'm very ready to pass on this information to the next people around me, because as we extend the information, others will also get learning from other people, and that is how it will spread all around the community, and people will be willing, and farmers will be more confident in taking up the sheep production at a commercial level. So through the different weeks, I've been able to get a lot of information, and I'm so grateful to the Farming Academy and our lecturer, Ms. Janet, for the insightful information she has been giving us all along. And this information, I believe, if I extend it to the next people, they will be able to carry on the information to other people as well. I believe that if the farmers are able to get to this information that we have got, they will be able to start up the sheep production and gain more confidence. I am so grateful, and I'm looking forward for more and more information at the advanced level, at the expert level of sheep production. And I will be so happy if the community start to take up the sheep production, not for cultural practices. In the area, it's also very rare to find people taking up sheep. Most people take it for cultural practices. People don't take it for commercial issue, or maybe something that they take maybe for something they can eat. It's very rare to even find sheep in the market that is being sold. People do not even eat. So I think this information, once it passed on to the next people, people will be able to gain confidence and understand more about the livestock and handling the animals very well. This will help to expand livestock production in the area. I want to send my gratitude and thanks to Relief Africa and Farming Academy Denmark for the opportunity they have given me. Thank you.